All right, the official day 2. We're 3 days into our trip up to GridLife.
Look how cute Olive looks in her neon socks.
There's been lots of shredding, and we've been having a lot of fun. I don't know how I'm gonna break these videos up yet, but Daniel's helping me film. GoPro footage, we're gonna do that. And hopefully talk to some more drivers. I'd like to do that for sure. Get you guys acquainted with some of the other people here that are driving and shredding. Some of the other talent.
Some of the talent. No, go around. Love you, dude. Pit crew life. Yeah, fuck walking. We're fat as fuck. We don't walk. I don't walk anywhere. Look how cute Tucker is. Yeah. Woo! You. What's going on, man? You're welcome. Yeah, no, we were talking about it.
Yeah, I'm good because I drank more than enough.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Guys, it's the third and final day of Grid Life. It is Sunday. Everybody's pretty tired and worn out, but my car is still running. There's 3 run groups today. It's open track. I think we're only going to do 1 run group because we got to get back to Florida. Raven hasn't been in my car in over 9 months, so we're going to take her for a ride today. And I'm gonna go walk around a little bit, and hopefully not everybody is too tired to talk to me, but we'll see. Daniel's making a sandwich. How you feeling? Daniel blacked out last night, boofed a beer.
Shout out to everyone for the free beers.
That's a pretty cool fun fact. Over there in the distance, Chelsea is teaching T-Pain how to drift. I know that sounds crazy, but it's true.
What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan Littoral. We're out here at Road Atlanta, GridLife South, ripping the CoverWorks 350Z on Koenig wheels, next in the Fair tires, and yeah, just having a great time, man.
What's up, Garrett Den? We're out here at GridLife South, running the Koenig decagram wheels. These things look badass on this thing. Got to thank Koenig for all their support this year. Yeah, check them out. Awesome wheels.
Hey, what's up? I'm Savannah Little, the driver of the number 916 in Juku Racing LS350Z and the number 512 BC Racing Skyline. We're having a great weekend here at GridLife South. We run the Ampliforms on our Skyline and the Koenig Hypergrams on our race car. We love our wheels and we love Koenig.
Raven hasn't been in the car in so long! Alright guys, GridLife South is a wrap. This is probably the most fun I've ever had in my car. The best event I've ever been to. It's unreal how crazy and how cool it is out here. Big shout out to Greg Bucell, all the drivers, the GridLife staff, Road Atlanta. Thank you so much for having me out, and I will without a doubt be here next year. Everybody killed it. Look at all the cars. Like, these cars are beautiful. So much going on. Thank you guys for watching, and we're headed back to Florida now. Got a little 8-hour drive. The car needs some work, but overall couldn't have asked for a better trip. Peace.